Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best smartwatches you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Garmin Fēnix 8 is a premium multi-sport smartwatch designed for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a solar-charged 1.4-inch display with a scratch-resistant sapphire lens and a titanium bezel. The watch offers up to 48 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 149 hours in GPS mode with solar charging. Key features include advanced fitness tracking, real-time stamina monitoring, sport-specific workouts, multi-band GPS with SatIQ, dive rating of 40 meters, and health tracking tools like heart rate, sleep, and ECG. The Fēnix 8 also includes a built-in LED flashlight, phone calls, and off-grid voice commands. The Google Pixel Watch 3 offers a larger, brighter AMOLED display with 40% more usable screen space than its predecessor, achieving up to 2000 nits of brightness. It features a 420 mAh battery that lasts up to 24 hours with the always-on display. Enhanced health tracking includes advanced heart rate monitoring, stride length, step cadence, and new metrics accessible without a Fitbit Premium subscription. It integrates seamlessly with Google services, offering offline maps, voice memos, and Google TV control. The watch is compatible with Android devices, supports advanced fitness features, and boasts a sleek water-resistant design. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is a rugged smartwatch designed for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness lovers. It features a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with 3000 nits brightness, ensuring visibility in bright conditions, and is built with titanium and sapphire crystal for durability. It supports LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivity, and offers advanced health monitoring with the bioactive sensor, tracking heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, and body composition. The watch has up to 100 hours of battery life in power-saving mode, dual-frequency GPS, emergency siren, multi-sport tracking, and safety features, making it ideal for extreme activities and everyday use. The Apple Watch Series 10 offers significant upgrades, featuring a larger display and a thinner, lighter design. It includes advanced health insights such as ECG, heart rate alerts, sleep monitoring, and signs of sleep apnea. Fitness features include customizable activity rings, workout metrics, and aquatic sensors. The watch also boasts safety features like fall detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS. With faster charging, 50-meter water resistance, and carbon neutrality with select bands, the Watch Series 10 integrates seamlessly with Apple devices, offers high durability, and is highly customizable for style and functionality. The Garmin Venu 3 is a versatile smartwatch designed for fitness enthusiasts, offering a blend of advanced health tracking and smart features. It boasts a vibrant 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen with up to 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. With 5 ATM water resistance, it's suitable for swimming. The Venu 3 includes continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and the body battery feature to assess energy levels. It supports over 30 sports modes and provides guided workouts. Other smart features include Garmin Pay, notifications, and a built-in speaker and microphone. Its durable design makes it ideal for both fitness and everyday use.